Well, we don't have the proper ceramic insulator, so we're using a ceramic fiber fill stuff. I don't know. But here is the first test. It's probably going to melt, so we're going to record it because it's always better when you record stuff that melts. I'll load up the coals. I'm going to put 3 coals here. We're going to press the button and hope we don't die. I'm going to push it back a little so it's going to get stinky. I don't know if that fiberglass high temp insulation is actually rated for direct contact, so it may catch on fire or do something crazy. We're going to stand back and we're going to check the temperature of the outer case. Oh, room temperature on the bottom, not much higher on the top, 100. Let those coals burn. It's a thing of beauty. Oh man, that's an inferno. So the current problem with this model is it works great while the fan's on. The problem is I'm not running the fan once the heaters turn off, and so then the heat soaks into the base, and I think that's going to cause the failure of this model. So I'm going to add a little timer circuit that runs the fan for 5 minutes with a maximum on time of the coals of, I don't know, 2 minutes. You can see by the amount of sparks that come out of this thing may not be rated for indoor use. Actually, it may not be rated for human use at all. Potentially to be used by robots only, outdoors in a fire retardant suit. But I think, as my friend said, you can actually make a pot of tea on top of this. And look at those coals, they're almost perfectly glowing all over already. We're just going to let them get super toasty because we want to heat soak this guy. We're going to tell people not to use this thing for more than 3 minutes continuously. So we'll shut this down at the 3-minute mark and see what it looks like. Keep going back over here. Really is a thing of beauty. Alright, 3 minutes. Let's take a look at those coals. And it's still safe to the touch. Oh, I don't have any tongs. Yeah, it's generally not that hot. Look, as you can see, I am touching it. And I'm not going to touch the outer part. If you touch this, you're on your own. You're just silly at that point. We need some tongs. Alright, we'll grab the tongs and we'll make another little video in a second.